This is Rick Matson from the University of Washington Shoulder and Elbow Service. Let's talk a little bit about stretching after a shoulder replacement. This is one of the most important parts of the rehab. And flexibility is, as you can suspect, the key to a good result from any kind of shoulder joint replacement. This is because a stiff shoulder is usually an uncomfortable shoulder, and the stiff shoulder is one of the things that limits the patient's ability to enjoy their shoulder function. So fortunately, a total shoulder, a Riemann run, and a CTA arthroplasty enables us to start the exercises pretty much on the day of surgery. This is not the case for a reverse total shoulder, and most surgeons like us will wait for 6 weeks or so before starting stretching exercises. And while we're very fond of physical therapists, we find that flexibility exercises are best done by the patient at home and repeated 5 times a day. So what we have available are some links to videos demonstrating these exercises. And here's the link that you see there, and you can click on that. And what it shows is an exercise we call the supine stretch. Here's a link to another very useful stretching exercise that we call the forward lean. Here's a link to an exercise we call the pulley. And here's the sideways lean. Finally, the cross-body adduction is very helpful for stretching out the back part of the shoulder, as is the up the back stretch and the sleeper stretch. So thanks for your attention. There's more information on these exercises at the links below. We invite you to click on those.